Hi everybody, good afternoon. My name is Oriana Betsaida Cordova. Today I'm gonna explain a mind map about ICT in English teaching learning processes. Okay, let's start with the definition. ICT, the acronym of ICT means use of information and communication technology. That is the principal meaning of the acronym. Then, according to the readings, we can find two definitions. The first one is a dictionary definition. In this definition, ICT is a set of tools and methods to transform information data. Then we have the second one, that is a modern definition. Here, ICT means that ICT is a wide range of information and communication technology. Here we can find some examples that are the next. For example, computer equipment, software, cell phone, email, cellular and satellite technologies, wireless and cable networks, multimedia, internet, among others. We have a lot of options for these examples. Then we have the ICT advantages. Here we can have some examples of them. For example, the ICT advantages provide facilitate distant learnings. Another advantage is that ICT offers multimedia capabilities. Also, ICT, a sense of modernity and progress for teachers and learners, uh, also provides encourage communication. ICT provides rich band of resources and information. Uh, Another advantage is that ICT makes individualized feedback easier. ICT can be used very interactively. And the last one, ICT offers high faith validity, among other examples. We have a lot of them. Next, we have the ICT disadvantages. In this case, we have one, two, three, four examples. The first one, a lot of energy and time need to be spent on learning how to use ICT effectively. It could take a lot of time to learn this process. For this case, it would be the person wastes a lot of time and energy. The second one, teaching and learning can be affected by computerizing classroom syndrome. Another disadvantage is that can take learners too far in individualized learning and create isolation. And the last one, it can sometimes be very difficult to measure the effectiveness of practices. Okay, here the ICT tools that are used in the educational system can be divided into two types. Here we have both of them, software and hardware. In the hardware part, we can find computer, printer, scanner, camera, camcorder, audio, video recorder, among others. And in the software part, we can find electronic textbooks, text environments, information sites, internet browsers, among others. Finally, we can say that ICT, as a conclusion, the expediency of using ICT improve quality of students' knowledge and increase the interest for the lessons. Okay, it has been all about the explanation of my mind map. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next time. Bye.